Hi, and welcome to ACES Centre. This is the Unit of Competency FNSA-CCT 610B, Developing and Implementing Financial Strategies. This will address the following elements: review data, determine options, implement strategies, and evaluate outcomes. Element 1. Review data. This will assess the following performance criteria. Costs of and returns from assets and liabilities are analysed using standard accounting techniques to identify the extent of debt and equity financing. Data identifies costs of different forms of capital to the organisation. Asset and liability estimates and valuation criteria are standardised and regularly adjusted in line with changes to environmental factors. Element 2. Determine options. This will assess the following performance criteria. Long and short-term periods are established for the organisation by reference to strategic goals, cash flow requirements, and operational objectives. Long-term financing requirements are identified and costed in line with the organisation's expected revenue returns, cash flows, and asset base. Sources of financing are researched and evaluated to determine compatibility with the organisation's finance strategy. Investment, analysis and financial planning requirements are identified and analysed. Element 3. Implement strategies. This will assess the following performance criteria. Financial plans are structured to meet strategic goals and provide returns within long and short-term operational objectives. Short and long-term objectives for organisations' capital structure are developed in line with operational and strategic plans. Internal control procedures are established in consultation with stakeholders to support implementation and to meet possible emergencies. Portfolio management techniques are applied. Element 4. Evaluate outcomes. This will assess the following performance criteria. Interrelationships between long and short-term objectives are monitored to ensure consistency of returns between operational and investment plans. Costs and returns are assessed to determine ongoing viability of strategy. Tax efficiency of financial strategy is regularly reviewed to maintain optimal returns from assets. This unit of competency will require the following knowledge: principles of risk management and budgetary control, methods of storing, recording and updating financial information, financial legislation, for example taxable transactions and reporting requirements, ethical considerations for compliance, methods of financial evaluation, an understanding of organisational structures and lines of management authority, principles of cost-benefit analysis and use of forecasting techniques, principles of internal control, including statutory requirements. This unit of competency will require the following skills: interpersonal skills and communication skills, for example, liaising, listening and consulting, report writing, preparation and formatting, reading and interpreting financial statements and reports, planning skills for timetabling and scheduling reports and lodgements, research skills to identify valuations and applicable professional standards. This is the end of the relevant information for this unit of competency. Thank you.